Hi students, today I will teach indefinite integration by the method of substitutions. Very important chapter. First, I have made 8 types. First type, first type, integrations, functions of ax plus b. In this case, we have to put ax plus b equals to z to make it more easier. Second type, if the integrand is of the form f dash x by fx dx, then in this case we have to prove fx equal to z, that is numerator equal to z. Type 3, if the integrand is of the form function of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1 dx, then we have to put x to the power n equals to z. X to the power n equals to z, then n x to the power n minus 1 dx equal to dz. X to the power n minus 1 dx equals to 1 by n dz. So we have to substitute x to the power n minus 1 dx by 1 by n dz. Type 4, if the integrand is of the form function of pi x, f of pi x, and derivative of pi x, pi dash x. In this case, we have to put pi x equal to z. Z is another variable. So the derivative of pi x is the differential of pi x is pi dash x dx equal to dz. Then pi dash x dx, we can put pi dash x dx as dz. Type 5, pi x whole power n pi dash x dx. In this case also we have to put pi x equal to z. And type 6, ax plus b equal to cx plus ax plus b into root over cx plus d. In this case we have to put cx plus d, that is the expression under the radical sign root cx plus d equal to z square. And this type x plus b whole power n divided by cx plus d whole power n. In this case cx plus d, we have to put cx plus d equals to z. And type 8, very important type, e power x exponential, e power x into fx plus f dash x. Then in this case we have to prove e power x fx equal to z. This 8 type of integrations is very important to know, and the substitutions is also very important. Now I will give some example of each type. So first, type 1. Take the example, say x square 3x plus 5 dx. It is function of 3x plus 5. Integration f of ax plus b dx. We have to put ax plus b equal to z. So this is the function of 3x plus 5. So we have to put 3x plus 5 equal to z. Let 3x plus 5 equal to z. Then differential 3x, differential of x is dx, 5 is 0, dz. In this case dx equal to 1 by 3 dz. So put here 6 square 3x plus 5 means z, dx means 1 by 3 dz. 1 by 3 take outside the integration as it is constant dz. Now 1 by 3 6 square z integration is tan z plus c. Now substitute the value of z. Value of z is 3x plus 5. So we have to put 1 by 3 10 3x plus 5 plus integration constant c. This is first type. Okay. Now take another example. Integration 10 5x plus 3 into x square 5x plus 3 dx. In this case, first we put let 5x plus 3 equal to z. Then differential of 5x plus 3, 5 into differential of x is dx, and differential of 3 is 0, differential of z is dz. So dx equals to 1 by 5 dz. So the integration takes the form 10 z into sec square 5x 3 means z, dx means 1 by 5 dz. Take 1 by 5 as the integration symbol dz. Now we have to prove 10 z equal to another variable. Take 10 z equal to u. Let then differential of 10 z sec square z into dz equal to du. So this is du and this is u. So 1 by 5 u du. So integrations of u is squared by 2 plus c. Now 1 by 5 to the 10 u. U means 10 z. U square 10 square z plus c. Now put the value of z. 10 square z means 5x plus 3, 5x plus 3 plus integration constant c. Okay. Now type A, type B, type 2. Integration, suppose x square dx divided by x cube plus 1 plus x cube, 1 plus x cube. In this case, we have to put 1 plus x cube equal to z, or 1 plus x cube equals to z, or you can put 1 cube x cube z. 1 plus x cube equal to z. Then differential of 1 is 0, 3x square dx equal to dz. Imply x square dx equals to 1 by 3 dz. So x square dx means 1 by 3 dz. 1 by 3 go outside, dz by 1 plus x cube means z. 1 by z integration, this will be log modulus z plus c. 1 by 3 log of modulus z means 1 plus x cube plus c. Now take another example. This is also of the form f dash x by fx dx. We have to put fx equal to z. Cot x dx. Integration cot x dx. Cot x means cos x by sin x dx. So if this is fx sin x, then f dash x is cos x. Obviously this form. In this case, let sin x equal to z. Differential of sin x is cos x dx equal to dz. So cos x dx means dz by z. This equals to log of modulus z plus c. Log of modulus z plus c. Now, of the type 3, function of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1 dx. We have to put x to the power n equal to z. Take one plus x cube whole square into x square dx. Then in this case we have to put 1 plus x cube or x cube as z. We put 1 plus x cube equals to z. We can put also x cube equal to z. So we put 1 plus x cube equal to z. Then differential of 1 is 0, differential x 3x square dx equal to dz. X square dx equals to 1 by 3 dz. So 1 plus x cube means z, z square. X square dx means 1 by 3 dz. 1 by 3 take outside the integration symbols as it did. It is called a constant 1 by 3. So it goes outside the symbol of integrations and dx is dz. 1 by 3 z square integration z cube by 3 plus c. This equals to 1 by 9 z cube. Z means 1 plus x cube whole cube plus c. Now of type 4. Type 4 was function of phi x integration f of phi x into pi dash x dx. We have to put phi x equals to z. Another example, e power x plus 1 by x into x square minus 1 by x square dx, suppose. Function f of phi x. Here f means exponential function and phi x means x plus 1 by x. And phi dash x, derivative of x plus 1 by x, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x means minus 1 by x square. 1 minus 1 by x square, that is x square minus 1 by x square. So this is of the form this. So in this case, let x plus 1 by x equal to z. This implies derivative of x1, 1 by x means minus 1 by x square dx equal to dz. X square minus 1 by x square dx equals to dz. This is dz e power z dz. Integration of e power z plus integration constant c. E power z means x plus 1 by x plus c. Okay. Type 5 5x whole power n into 5 dash x dx. In this case, we have to put 5x equal to z. Take an example. Tan power 5x into 6 square x dx. Obviously, 5x means tan x. 5x whole power n, tan x whole power 5. N means 5. 5x is tan x. Then 5 dash x, derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x means 6 square x. 6 square x dx. This form. So we have to put 5x equal to z. In this case, we have to put tan x equal to z. So let tan x equal to z. Derivative of tan x, 6 square x, differential dx equal to dz. So tan x means z, z to the power 5, and this is dz. Z to the power 6 divided by 6 plus c. Sorry. Now put the value of z, tan x whole power 6, that is tan power 6x by 6 plus c. Now, next type ax plus b cx plus d dx. In this case, we have to put cx plus d equal to z square. Take an example, 2x plus 3 root over 3x plus 5 dx. Then we have to put 3x plus 5 equal to z square. Let 3x plus 5 equal to z square. Differential 3 dx, 5 is 0, 2z into dz. Then dx equal to 2 by 3 z dz. From this, we can have to find the value of x. 3x equal to z square minus 5, x equal to z square minus 5 by 3. So 2x plus 3, I will put here 2 into x. X means z square minus 5 by 3 plus 3. This is z square. Dx means 2 by 3 z dz. 2 by 3 z dz. 2 by 3 multiply this, 2z square minus 5 to jar 10 by 3 and 3 jar plus 9. Z square root means z into z dz. 2 by 9, 3 jar 9, take 9 outside. Z square, z square into 2z square, 2z power 4. Minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 into z square means minus z square. It will be 2 by 9 integration 2 z power 5 by 5 minus z square integration z cube by 3 plus c. Now put the value of z from this. Two by 9, value of z is 3x plus 5 root, then 2 by 5 root over 3x plus 5 whole power 5 minus 1 by 3, value of z is root over 3x plus 5 whole power 3 plus c. This equals to 2 to the 4 by 45. 3x plus 5 whole power 5 upon 2. Square root means half power. And this will be 1 by 27. Multiply this. 3x plus 5 whole power 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now, next type. Type 7, integration ax plus b whole power m cx plus d whole power n dx. The substitution is cx plus d equal to z. Take an example. X plus 5 whole cube x plus 2 whole square dx. So we have to put x plus 2 equal to z. Let differential dx equal to dz. Then this will be x means from here x equal to z minus 2. So z minus 2 plus 5 whole cube z square dz. Dx means dz. Z plus 3 whole cube by z square dz. Z plus 3 whole cube means z cube plus 3a square b means 9z plus 3a square 27 z square 3a square 3a square b plus 3ab square 27z plus b cube means 27 by z square bz. Divide partially. Z cube by z square means z. 9z square by z square means 9. 27 into 1 by z. 27 into 1 by z square dz. 27 into 1 by z square dz. Now from this integration of z square by 2 9 into 1, integration of 1 is z, that is 9z. 27 integration of 1 by z means log of modulus z, and integrations of 1 by z square means minus 2 by z cube. Now 1 by z square means minus 1 by z plus c. Now put the value of z means x plus 2. Z means x plus 2. It was probably x plus 2. X plus 2 whole square by 2. 9 into x plus 2 plus 27 into log of x plus 2 minus 27 by z means x plus 2 plus. This is type, next type. And there is another type to do. Integration e power x fx plus f dash x dx. We have to put here e power x fx equal to z. Take an example. E power x by x, x log of x plus 1 dx. We can write this e power x multiplied by 1 by x, and log x plus 1 by x dx. Now let e power x log x equals to z, because derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative, if we take fx as log x, then f dash x will be 1 by x. Exactly this form. So we have to put e power x fx equal to z. In this case, we have to put e power x log x equal to z. Then this is product rule. E power x u and log x means v. Two functions, product of two functions, keeping log x as constant. Derivative of e power x is e power x. E power x log x plus e power x into derivative of log x means 1 by x dx equal to dz. Take e power x common, log x plus 1 by x dx equal to dz. Then d is equals to dz to come down. Then the integration dz. Dz means 1 z plus c. Then the value of z is e power x log x plus c. This is integration. This is the first part of method of substitutions. Integration. Okay, thank you.